Hello, everyone. Welcome back to SpeakEasy FM.
Hi, we're really glad you're here with us today.
I'm Stacy.
And I'm Ian. On this channel, we help you practice real, everyday English.
If you enjoy our videos, please like and subscribe. It truly helps us keep going.
It really does. Thank you so much. So, Stacy, what are we talking about today?
Today, we're talking about something everyone talks about every single day in every language.
The weather.
The weather. It sounds simple, but there's actually a lot to learn.
There is, and it's one of the most useful topics for small talk in English.
Perfect for talking to a coworker, a neighbor, someone at the coffee shop.
Anyone, really. It's easy, it's friendly, and everyone has an opinion about it.
Everyone does. But first, how are you doing today, Ian?
I'm doing really well, thank you. A little tired, but happy.
Why tired? Did you have a busy weekend?
I did. On Saturday, I went to an outdoor market with my sister. We were outside for hours.
Oh, that sounds fun. What kind of market?
It was a food and craft market. We tried so many things. I bought a candle and some honey.
I love those kinds of markets. What did you do on Sunday?
Sunday, I just stayed home. I reorganized my bookshelf. Very exciting.
Ha! Sometimes that's exactly what you need, though.
It is. What about you, Stacy? How was your weekend?
It was lovely. On Saturday evening, I had dinner with some old friends from university. We hadn't seen each other in months.
Oh, that's so nice. Did you go somewhere special?
Just a small restaurant near my apartment. Nothing fancy, but the food was good and the conversation was even better.
Those are the best kinds of dinners. Okay, let's talk about the weather. So, Stacy, what is the weather like today?
Today is a really beautiful day. The sun is out, the sky is blue.
Yes, it's sunny and warm, but not uncomfortable.
The kind of day that makes you want to sit outside with a book.
Exactly. I actually walked here today instead of taking the bus, just because of the weather.
Me too. I walked slowly on purpose. I didn't want to rush.
So today we can say it is sunny and warm. Those are two very useful weather words.
And they're easy to use. You just say, it's sunny, or it's a sunny day.
Simple and clear. Now, do you like all kinds of weather, Stacy, or only days like today?
Honestly, I don't mind rain.
Really? Most people I know don't like rain.
I know, but I find it kind of comforting. When it rains, I feel like it's okay to slow down.
Tell me more about that.
Well, on a rainy day, I don't feel guilty staying inside. I make tea, I read, I just rest. The sound of rain on the window is so calming.
Okay, I understand that. Rain at home is fine, but rain when you're outside is a different story.
Ha, that's true. Getting caught in the rain is not relaxing at all.
No, and I always forget my umbrella, every single time.
Every time?
I have 2 umbrellas at home, and they are always at home, never with me.
Ian, put one in your bag and just leave it there. Don't take it out.
That is such good advice. I keep meaning to do that.
Well, this week is the week.
This week is the week. I'm going to do it.
Okay, so we have sunny and rainy. What other weather words do we know?
We have windy. That's when there's a lot of wind. The trees are moving. You feel the air pushing against you when you walk.
I actually like a light wind. It feels refreshing.
Me too, but strong wind is another story. I was once at the beach and a gust of wind blew my notebook right out of my hands.
Oh no, did you get it back?
Some of it. The pages went everywhere. People on the beach were watching me run after them.
That's terrible, but also a little funny.
Very funny. After, not during.
And then we have snow. When it snows, we say it's snowy.
Do you like snow, Stacy?
I love the first snow of the season. Everything goes white and quiet. It looks magical.
It really does, but by the 3rd week of snow, I'm completely done with it.
Same. The first snow is beautiful. The dirty gray snow in February is not beautiful.
Not beautiful at all. And then we have cloudy. That's when the sky is covered in clouds and you can't really see the sun.
Cloudy days are okay. They're not my favorite, but they're fine.
And foggy. That's when there's a thick mist near the ground and it's hard to see far ahead.
I don't like fog when I'm driving. It makes me nervous.
It can be dangerous. You have to go slowly and pay close attention.
So our 6 main words are sunny, rainy, windy, snowy, cloudy, and foggy.
And they all end in Y. Easy to remember.
Very easy. Sunny, rainy, windy, snowy, cloudy, foggy.
Now let's talk about temperature. How do we say how hot or cold it is?
We use 4 main words: hot, warm, cool, and cold.
Can you give us an example of each?
Of course. Hot is summer in the middle of the day. You're sweating, the sun is strong, you want to find shade.
Warm is more comfortable. Like today. You feel good outside. You don't need a jacket.
Cool is a little lower. Think of an autumn morning. You might want a light jacket, but it's not unpleasant.
And cold is winter. Heavy coat, scarf, gloves, and you're still a little cold.
So hot, warm, cool, cold, from highest to lowest.
And sometimes in one day, you get all 4. Morning is cool, afternoon is warm, evening is cool again.
That happens so much in spring. You never know what to wear.
I always dress for the morning, and then I'm too warm by lunchtime.
I check the weather on my phone every morning now. It saves me a lot of trouble.
That's smart. Check the forecast before you choose your clothes.
Let's talk about seasons. Ian, what is your favorite season?
My favorite is autumn.
Really? Most people say summer.
I know, but I love autumn. The colors of the leaves, the cooler air, the smell of everything.
What smell?
You know that smell outside in autumn? Like dry leaves and wood smoke and cold air? I can't really describe it, but I love it.
I know exactly what you mean. It's that crisp, earthy smell.
Exactly. And the light in autumn is different. It's golden. Everything looks softer.
That's a beautiful way to describe it. What about summer? Do you like it?
I like parts of summer. The long evenings are wonderful. The sun goes down so late. You can go for a walk after dinner and it's still light outside.
Oh, I love that too. It feels like you have so much more time in the day.
Exactly. But very hot days are hard. When it's too hot to even go outside, I don't like that. What is your favorite season, Stacy?
Spring, without question.
Why spring?
Because of what it means. After a long gray winter, everything suddenly wakes up again. Flowers appear, trees get green, birds are everywhere. It just feels like the world is starting over.
Spring does have that feeling, like a fresh beginning.
Yes, and the weather in spring is usually so pleasant. Not too hot, not too cold.
Perfect walking weather.
Perfect everything weather. And winter, Ian. Do you like winter?
I like the beginning of winter. The first cold days, a little snow, the holidays. That part is magical.
But then
January comes, and it's just cold and dark for weeks, and I start counting down to spring.
February is the hardest month.
The hardest month, absolutely.
Let's talk about last week. What was the weather like?
Last week was so strange. It could not decide what it wanted to be.
It really couldn't. Monday was actually warm and sunny.
I remember I had lunch outside. It felt like spring had come back.
And then Tuesday.
Tuesday was completely different. Cold and windy. A real shock after Monday.
I wore the wrong jacket on Tuesday. I was cold all day.
Me too. And Wednesday was rainy. Not just a little rain, a lot.
I stayed inside and worked from home. It was actually a productive day.
Good for you. I had to go out and I got a little wet even with my hood up.
What about Thursday?
Thursday morning was foggy. I couldn't see very far on my drive in. But by the afternoon, the fog cleared and it was actually quite nice.
Yes, Thursday afternoon was lovely. And Friday?
Friday was perfect. Sunny, warm, a little breezy, like today.
So in 1 week, we had warm, cold, windy, rainy, foggy, and sunny.
4 seasons in 5 days.
That's why people always have something to say about the weather.
It's always changing. There's always something new to talk about.
Let's practice some useful questions. The first and most important one is, what's the weather like?
Simple and natural. You can also say, what's the weather like today? Or, what's it like outside?
You can ask, is it cold out? Or, is it raining?
And the answers are simple too. Yes, it is. Or, no, it's not. It's actually sunny.
What about asking for the future, like asking about tomorrow?
You can say, what will the weather be like tomorrow? That one is a little more formal.
Or, more casual, is it going to rain tomorrow?
That one is very common in everyday conversation.
And the answer could be, I think it'll be sunny, or the forecast says it might rain.
The forecast. That's the prediction for future weather. You can check it on your phone or see it on the news.
I check mine every morning, before I even get out of bed sometimes.
Me too, especially in spring when the weather changes so fast.
Let's try a quick example dialogue. Imagine I'm your neighbor. I see you outside.
Okay.
Good morning, Ian. Lovely day, isn't it?
It really is. I can't believe how warm it is for this time of year.
I know. I was going to bring a jacket, and I'm glad I didn't. Are you heading out somewhere?
Just to the park. I thought I'd take advantage of the weather while it lasts.
Great idea. Enjoy it.
You too. Have a wonderful day.
See how easy that was? A whole conversation, all from talking about the weather.
And it feels natural because that is the kind of conversation real people have every day.
Exactly. Let's try one more. A rainy day this time.
Okay, I'll start. Oh, what a miserable morning.
I know. I got completely soaked just walking from the car.
Did you forget your umbrella too?
No, I had one, but the wind was so strong it turned inside out.
That always happens to me. At least it's warm inside.
True. I'm making coffee. Do you want some?
I would love some, thank you.
Even on a rainy day, weather starts a conversation.
And sometimes leads to coffee, which is even better.
Okay, let's take a moment and review some of the most useful vocabulary from today.
Great idea. Let's go through them one by one.
First, forecast. What is a forecast?
A forecast is a prediction of the future weather. You can say, I checked the forecast and it says rain tomorrow, or the forecast looks good for the weekend.
Always check the forecast before you make outdoor plans.
Next word, drizzle.
Drizzle is very light rain. Small drops, not heavy at all. You can often walk in a drizzle without getting too wet.
You might say, it's not really raining, it's just drizzling.
And the opposite of drizzle is downpour. A downpour is very heavy rain. A lot of water in a short time.
If there's a downpour, you need to wait inside. One umbrella is not enough.
You can say, we got caught in a downpour on the way home.
Next word, breeze.
A breeze is a light, gentle wind. It's pleasant. On a hot day, a cool breeze feels wonderful.
The difference between a breeze and wind is the strength. A breeze is soft and gentle. Wind can be strong and uncomfortable.
You can say, it's a hot day, but there's a nice breeze.
Now, humid.
Humid means the air has a lot of moisture in it. It feels heavy and wet, even when it's not raining.
Very hot and humid weather is exhausting. You sweat more and everything feels harder.
Many tropical countries are very humid in summer.
You can say, it's not just hot, it's hot and humid. That's the worst combination.
Next is chilly.
Chilly is a light cold. Not freezing, but you definitely need a jacket.
You might say, the morning started out chilly, but it warmed up by noon.
It's a comfortable word. Not alarming, just a little cold.
And our last two words, clear and overcast.
A clear sky means no clouds. You can see everything. Blue sky all the way across.
Great for photos, great for stargazing at night.
And overcast is the opposite. The whole sky is covered in gray clouds. No sun at all.
More than just cloudy, fully covered. You might say, it's been overcast all day, but it hasn't actually rained yet.
So our words today are forecast, drizzle, downpour, breeze, humid, chilly, clear, and overcast.
That's 8 words. Let's put them together in a little story. I'll start.
Okay.
I woke up and checked the forecast. It said cloudy but dry.
I looked outside and the sky was completely overcast, gray everywhere.
I stepped out and it felt chilly, so I grabbed a light jacket.
By mid-morning, it started to drizzle. Just a little. Not bad.
But then around lunchtime, a downpour started. I ran inside.
In the afternoon, the clouds moved away and the sky turned clear.
A cool breeze came through. It felt wonderful after the humidity of the morning.
And by evening, it was a perfect night.
All 8 words, used naturally, in one story.
That's the goal. Not just to know the words, but to use them.
Let's take a moment to go over everything
We learned how to describe the weather using 6 basic adjectives: sunny, rainy, windy, snowy, cloudy, and foggy.
We talked about temperature, hot, warm, cool, and cold.
We shared our favorite seasons and what we love about them.
We talked about last week's weather and how much it changed from day to day.
We practiced asking questions about the weather, like, what's the weather like? And is it going to rain tomorrow?
We did 2 mini dialogues, one on a sunny day and one on a rainy day.
And we reviewed 8 vocabulary words: forecast, drizzle, downpour, breeze, humid, chilly, clear, and overcast.
That is a lot of English in one episode.
It is, but all of it is useful. All of it comes up in real conversations.
The best part is you can practice this right away. Just talk about the weather with someone today.
A message to a friend, a comment in English, anything counts. And now, our favorite part.
The question of the day.
Today's question is, what is the weather like where you are right now?
Tell us your city or country and describe the weather today. Use the words we learned.
For example, I'm in Mexico and today it's hot and humid. The sky is clear.
Or, I'm in South Korea and it's cloudy and chilly today. I think it might rain later.
Any answer is a great answer. We read every single comment.
And if you see someone from another country in the comments, say hello. See what the weather is like there.
It's a little window into someone else's world.
I love that idea.
Thank you so much for spending your time with us today.
We really appreciate it more than you know.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend who is also learning English.
And subscribe to SpeakEasy FM so you never miss a new video.
Remember, talking about the weather is not small talk. It's how connections start.
Every conversation has to begin somewhere. Why not with today's sky?
From both of us,
Keep practicing. Keep going.
have a wonderful day.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.